Hello, welcome to Kellogg Public Library's virtual story time. My name is Sherry. The story I'm going to share with you today is Night Owl and Early Bird. Owl was captain of the night watch. He was very important. While the other knights slept, he lit the torches, paroled the walls, and made sure the fires were burning. All night long, Owl kept the castle safe. Just before dawn, he sat in his room and ate his dinner. It was the same every night until early one morning, when Owl was drifting off to sleep. Someone or something started making a great deal of noise. "Hi, are you awake? My name is Early Bird. I'm your biggest fan. I want to be a night owl just like you. You can teach me everything. I'm a super duper learner. I know that I can be a night owl. Look how big my eyes are. Do we stay up all night? What is your cape for? When do we start? Are there snacks at work?" "I cannot teach you to be a knight right now. I'm too tired," Owl said as he rolled over. So Early Bird kept herself busy in one way or another. She was very busy and very noisy all day long. That afternoon, Owl and Early Bird went to work. They lit the torches, patrolled the walls, and made sure the fires were burning. But before the sun set, Early Bird fell asleep. All night long, Owl kept the castle safe. Early the next morning, "Good day to you, fine knight. Thee must wake, for today we ride to adventure." "Knights don't talk like that," said Owl, and he went back to sleep. So Early Bird kept herself busy in one way or another. She was very busy and very noisy all day long. That night, Owl kept the castle safe. The next day, "Hark! Who goes there?" Or should I say, "Who?" Did you hear that? I sounded so owlish. Let me try it again. "Who? Who? Who?" Was I good? I made pancakes. Do you like pancakes? I love pancakes. Where's the syrup? Stop! You are not an owl. You are not a knight. You are a very early bird. I am captain of the night watch, and I need to sleep. Please go away. So Early Bird went away. That afternoon, Owl kept himself busy in one way or another. Soon it was dark, and Early Bird had not returned. Owl began to worry. Late that night, Owl went into the forest to find her. It was very cold and very dark in the forest. Owl searched for hours but could not find Early Bird. He was about to give up when he heard a strange noise. "Ahoo!" That does not sound like Early Bird, Owl thought. He heard the noise again. "Ahoo!" And again, but this time it was much closer. "Ahoo! That is definitely not Early Bird," he whispered to himself. Suddenly glowing eyes appeared between the trees. Owl was not alone. Someone or something started making a great deal of noise. "Stop! Stop! Stoppity! Stop! Stop! Stop!" All at once the knights charged and chased the wolves into the forest. "Woohoo!" cried Early Bird. "My first rescue mission. When I came back, you were not at home. I was worried, so I woke everyone up. I am really good at that. I am a night owl now." "No," said Owl, "you are a terrible owl, but you are a very brave knight." "Woohoo! I am a knight. Can I have a cape like yours? I might need a sword. And I was thinking..." The next morning, Early Bird let Owl sleep. She kept herself busy in one way or another all day long until the sun was setting. And then the two friends talked about their day and night over pancakes. And that is the end of that story. Thank you for listening. See you next time.